Should have been it.
Is he coming out, Maisy? Here it is on. Ooh, puppy. See the puppy? Is it? Mowgli. Let's try again. It's Thursday, April 16th, 2009, and we're on puppy number 7. Here we come. Is it out yet? There it is. Haha! Hi! And the sack is broken. Oh, haha. Okay, Maisy. Oh. Puppy. We have her tail wrapped. That's what the green is. Mowgli's barking at somebody out on the street, and Maisy's going to be now cutting the cord. Oh, she's tired. Come on, you gotta get that puppy out. Oh, and we're breathing. Good girl. Can you get it? Oh. Oh, there we are. Hey. Welcome to the world, little one. Oh. You want to grab?
Yeah.
And then we grab the puppy and make sure puppy's breathing.
We have a boy.
We have a boy. A little boy. A little boy. That makes 3 girls and 4 boys. Good job, Maisy. Good girl. Good Maisy girl. Oh, pretty puppies. Oh. See, it's not too bloody gross. Not too bad. Mama will clean and lick.
It's enough.
Let's see, we've been at this since like 9:40. The first one was born this morning. And it's now 1:28 on this beautiful spring day.
Boys.
And here's Mowgli. This is my Mowgli boy. Oh, he's going over to look at the bottle. No, Mowgli. And this is our whelping pen area. Plenty big for all of us to be. That's it. And then here's the basket of babies. And let's take a look. They're in here all nice and warm with a little bit of heat on the heating pad because Mama Maisy has to move around so much when she lets each puppy out that we don't want the babies to get stepped on. So we plug all the babies in between puppies, and then they go to their milk stations and fill up. Hi, you guys. How's everybody doing? That's good. Oh. Mama cleans them up. Make sure all their systems are a go. And we'll put all the babies over by her and wait for the next one.